Now there are two things you always want to try and get rid of when you're rearranging equations or formulas. The first thing is fractions. So this fraction here we want to get rid of, and we do that by timesing both sides by y minus 5. So I'm going to write out the equation again just to make it a bit bigger. And we can imagine that there's brackets around the top and bottom of this, and that sometimes helps us to answer the question. I'm going to put my lines down. So the first thing I want to do is times both sides by that y minus 5. And you must do that. You can't access the numerator of the fraction otherwise. So this ends up with being x brackets y minus 5. And on the right hand side it's just the same numerator but without the denominator. Now I said there were two things you've got to get rid of. The first one's fractions, the second one is brackets. You've got to break them open. So we're going to times out these brackets. So we're going to have xy minus 5x. And the right hand side hasn't changed at all, it's just 10 minus 3y because we haven't done anything to both sides. So what I want to do is try and get all of the y terms to the left hand side and all of the other terms, so the x terms, the number terms, whatever, on the right hand side. So I'm going to add 5x to both sides, but I'm also going to take away, add 3y to both sides as well. So I'm doing 2 in 1 here. So it's xy plus 3y. And on the right hand side we've got that 10 that hasn't moved plus 5x. Okay, when we have this situation where we've got the brackets gone away and everything is, all the y's on the left hand side, and y is what we're looking to do it in terms of, what we want to do is factorize it, so we've just got a single y. So y on the outside, x plus 3. Now I know I said I wanted to get rid of the brackets, but we need the brackets here to be able to get y on its own. And the last step here is we just divide both sides by the x plus 3. So we get y on its own. So we get y equals 10 plus 5x over x plus 3. So let's put that into our answer box. Now it can be either way around here. It could be 5x plus 10. That's absolutely fine. Still the right answer. Over x plus 3.